Hello, in last video we have seen how to apply in condition. In this video let's look into between condition. Between condition is used to retrieve values within a range in select, insert, update or delete statement. First let's look into the syntax of delete condition. It starts with keyword select, then comes the column name you want to get in your result, then from keyword, then comes the database name and the table name. Finally, here you will mention your condition in where clause. Okay, where you have to specify the column name where you want to give the values between your first value will be value 1 and mention the AND operator and value 2. Okay, let's discuss this with few examples. See, here in this database we have a table called customer, and here we have some data of customer. First let's look into customer age between 20 and 30. Let's run the query to get this result. To start with this, let's compose a new query. As I told you in syntax, it starts with select keyword. We'll take all the details, so I'll be mentioning star here. From database name and the table name customer. Here we'll give the condition where age, we want age between 20 and 30. Okay, let's run this query. See, we have got our results back here. I'll just show you. Okay, see, here we have got all the details of the customer whose age is between 20 and 30. Let's notice this one thing here. Customer age 20 is also included and 30 also included. Okay, it's not excluding the end values or the starting value 20. Okay, see, this is one way to write a query to get the result. In case if we are writing a query using AND operator, how it will be? Okay, let's write the query to get the result. It starts with same select. We'll take all the details from database name, table name. Here comes the where condition, where age is greater than or equals to 20 and age is less than or equals to 30. Let's run this query. See, here we have got the same result. So we have here 150 results. Let's run this query and check. Here also we have total of 150 result. Okay, the result is same, but the method to write a query is bit different. Okay, let's move on to our next example. Let's mix not operator in between condition. Okay, if in case we want to get the result where customer age is not between 20 and 30, in that scenario we'll be adding not operator before between condition. Okay, let's write the query. I'll just copy this. Not between 20 and 30. Okay, upon running this query we will be expecting all the details of customer whose age is not between 20 and 30. See, we have got our results back here. Okay, this is how we add not operator. Let's move on to our next example. See, here in sales table we have ship date, order date. Let's apply this between condition for dates. Okay, let's write a query. Select this query we are writing to get the details of the order which is shipped between 1st April 2015 to 1st April 2016. Okay, and here while writing a query there is one thing to remember. Year format always in year, month, date format. Okay, let's compose this. Select all from database name. Here we have to take the sales as it's our table. Where what was that? Ship date between here, what's the year? 2015. Well, we have to mention it in single quote. 2015 month 4/1 and 2016 4/1. Okay, let's run this query. Yeah, our query got completed successfully. See, we have got all the results back here where order is shipped between these two particular dates. Okay, I hope you understand the use of between condition and how to use it. Okay, we'll see you in next video. Thank you.